The iQOO 15 Ultra will be unveiled in China on February 4th. The device has already been showcased in two color options, 2077 Flowing Orange and 2049 Ice Blue, both aimed at delivering a futuristic visual identity. It will pack an active cooling fan and a unique design. The phone will feature shoulder triggers with a 600Hz sampling rate and separate control chips. A video shared by tipster Ice Universe shows us what the smartphone looks like in the real world. The iQOO 15 Ultra's back panel has a hexagonal design that looks colorful when light hits it at different angles. The smartphone has a metal frame with a matte finish. It is likely to feature a massive 6.85-inch flat LTPO AMOLED screen that offers a 2K resolution, a 144Hz refresh rate, and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. The phone is said to get a triple 50MP rear camera setup and a 32MP front sensor. A 50MP Sony LYT603X periscope telephoto camera. The Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 powered device recorded a total score of 4,518,403 points. It has achieved a single-core score of 3,601 and a multi-core score of 11,434 on Geekbench 6.0, paired with a dedicated Q3 gaming chip, an LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.1 storage, and run on Origin OS 6-based Android 16, and a battery of around 7,000 mAh capacity with 100W wired and 50W wireless charging. The device may arrive with an IP68/69 rated dust and water-resistant body. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.